Welcome to Janet Teaches DRU Yoga. This video is introducing you to a position called, a posture called the tree of transformation. So many of you were used to the tree and we do the moving tree, that flowing tree in DRU Yoga. This one is using the tree to transform your thinking, to the tree of transformation. And sometimes we need that. We get stuck where perhaps we're always seeing the same thing in the same way. And there are times where we think, right, that can't be done because of this. And it's like that. And you become very, that tunnel vision. So this is to kind of swap things around about. And by using the tree, we're making the connection, the balance between heaven and earth. And that equally will help us to achieve what we want. So I'm going to show it you facing forward, and then I'll show it you sideways on, and then we'll do it together. So as ever, we will start in the mountain posture. So we're going to do a warm-up before we do that, but I just want to show you what we're aiming towards. So feet would be hip width apart, which is heel to instep, swivel the toes back. Okay. Flex your knees. Do lift those toes and spread them, because if I come back a bit, you want to make that connection with the earth. You're a tree. Tummy in, tailbone under, and just roll the shoulders back, nice and steady. And then you put the weight in one leg, that's your tree trunk. Palms in front. Now it's a balance, so you want your focus a little bit in front and slightly down. So you're going to come up, and you're going to have the foot at the side of the knee, not touching it, okay? Think of something you want to let go of. I'm going to come a little bit forward because I need to step back and I don't want to be hitting the wall. Okay, so as I come back up again, get my balance. Something you want to let go of, a negative issue, thought, feeling, whatever it is. Breathe in, on your breath out, step back and you throw it away. And then you turn your palms towards you because you're going to draw in the positive, whatever that might be for you. So you're lifting that back foot. You're coming in, and as you get here, I want it nice and strong. I believe in myself. Really strong believement. And you do it on the other side. So if I show you sideways on when I do the other side. So again, I've got myself into my nice mountain posture. Okay. Weight in my other leg. So that's my tree trunk. And you've lifted those toes and spread them. You come up, and the foot is at the side of the knee and turned out. That negativity you want to get rid of, push it away. Palms towards you, and then you draw in. And when you get here, I believe in myself. So you can see how it works. So just want to do a little bit of warm up, and then we'll do that together. So just loosen the arms and legs. Don't do too much, just want to get you loose. Okay, like loosen those legs. Okay, just curl your shoulders, do some dips with the knees. Just loosening up a little bit. You can always find lots of methods of what we call activation, as these warm-ups at the beginning on the channel. Well, I think I've got 2 channels worth of it, 2 videos of activations. And then again, just shaking, just flicking the legs and arms out, just loosening up. Okay, so if I do it sideways and you're facing me, then hopefully you'll be seeing exactly what we're doing. So first of all, get your mountain. So feet hip width apart. Now remember, that's heel to instep. I bring the feet this way. And then you just swivel the toes back. If you want to check it, those legs should be absolutely parallel. You're coming down from the hip joints. Lift your toes and spread them. Connect with the earth. You're a tree. Down in the earth. Flex your knees, nice and soft in your knees. And then that tummy in, tailbone under, so these core muscles are engaged. Draw up through this waist, up through the sternum, and then just circle and bring the arm back. Circle and bring the arm back so that you open up the chest. Lovely. And keep the arms loose, the knees loose, and just have that golden thread just stretching you a bit further so you've extended that spine. Okay. So palms in front. Put your weight in one leg. Okay, that's your tree trunk. Remember, focus down and in front. Think of the thing you want to let go of. Breathe in, come up. Now you want that knee turned out, not touching the knee. Breathe in. You're going to let go, step back and throw it away. Okay. Palms up, drawing in whatever you want in your life, even if it's quite simply just think of peace and calm. Lifting that back leg. You get to hear, nice and loud, I believe in myself. Beautiful. Well done. So thinking of, let go of that stuff, draw in that peace, that positivity in whatever way you want, and then nice and firm, you believe in yourself. If you're having trouble getting that foot and you're wobbling a bit, it is okay to just bring the foot down and then you can just step back and bring it forward. So if you take too much concentration doing this, then it's not happening, is it? So I'm going to turn around because I don't want to hit the wall, and we'll come the other way. So again, your feet hip width apart, heel to instep, swivel the toes back, lift your toes and spread them, flex those knees, that tummy in, tailbone under, curl those shoulders back. Nice and lifted in the chest, lift up through the waist, palms in front. Now, again, concentrate, you want your focus down and in front, breathe in, come up, foot next to the knee turned out. Think of that thing you want to let go of, that negativity. Nice breath in and push it away. Okay. Turn your palms up, draw in that positivity that you're looking for. Give that back leg. And then nice and strong and out loud, I believe in myself. Beautiful. Very powerful. Very simple. But you've made with the tree your connection to the balance between heaven and earth. So you've brought that into balance, and you've done a physical, because we have that stuff that goes round and round in our heads. So this is a physical way of saying, I'm getting rid of that, drawing in that strength, and I believe in myself. Very, very powerful. So use it whenever you feel that overwhelm of negativity. Do something physical with it and get rid of it, draw in the positive. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you very much. Namaste.